Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel and part 2 of my teacher themed cupcakes. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these chalkboard cupcake toppers. So to begin with, I'm rolling out some black modelling paste to about 2 to 3 millimeters thick, and then I'm just going to use my square cutter just to cut out a square. Just going to pick it up and just neaten off any of the edges and then put it to one side. So here I've got some modelling paste that I've coloured with PME Old Gold. One's a bit darker than the other, so I've just added a little bit more there. And then I'm just going to mix them together, but I'm not going to mix them too much, just so I get a little bit of a marbled effect, so it looks like wood. Then I'm just going to roll this out again to about 3 millimeters thick. And then I'm just using the same square just to cut out a square shape. So I'm just going to pick that up again and just neaten off the edges. So my square cutters come in a set, and I'm just going to use the next one down just to cut out a centre square, and this will give us the frame for our blackboard or chalkboard. There we go. So I'm just going to bring in the black square we made earlier and just going to apply some clear alcohol or edible glue around the edge and then just stick that into position. Just so you know, I'll leave a link to all the items that I use in this tutorial in the description. And I'm just going to neaten off the edges. Just going to use my blade tool to help me. And then once I'm happy with my shape, I'm going to leave it overnight to fully dry. Okay, so now I'm going to make the apple by forming a small piece of red modelling paste into a ball shape. Probably just a little bit bigger than a marble, and I'm just going to use my cone tool just to make a little hole there at the top, and I'm just going to move it around with my fingers, and that will make the bottom a little bit narrower, just like an apple. Okay, now I've just got a little bit of green modelling paste that I'm forming into a cone shape. Then I'm going to flatten it with my fingers, and then I'm just going to use my knife tool just to make some little leaf veins there. And then I'm just going to stick that into the hole that we made earlier. Okay, now I'm just going to make a little stalk with some brown modelling paste by just forming it into a little bit of a tube shape that's tapered at one end. And then I'm just going to stick that into the hole and then just shape how I want it to look. Okay, so it's the next day, and I'm just going to use my Fractal edible ink brush pen just to write on 1, 2, 3, and that will look like a chalk effect on the chalkboard. And here you can see that I've also done an ABC one. I've stuck the apple in the top left corner and added a little tube of white modelling paste in the other corner to be chalk. Okay, I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.